Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock brings modern connectivity and reliable security together in a streamlined keyless entry solution. Designed to connect directly to your home Wi-Fi network without requiring an additional hub, this smart lock focuses on convenience, remote access, and enhanced control over who enters your home. One of the most practical features is the built-in Wi-Fi capability. Because it connects directly to your router, you can lock and unlock your door from virtually anywhere using a compatible smartphone app. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply upstairs, remote access provides real peace of mind. If you forget to lock the door, you can secure it instantly without physically being there. The keyless entry keypad allows you to create custom access codes for family members, guests, or service professionals. Instead of handing out spare keys, you can assign unique codes and even schedule them for specific times. Temporary codes are especially useful for short-term visitors or deliveries. The keypad is clearly illuminated, making it easy to use at night while maintaining a clean, modern appearance during the day. Security remains at the core of the design. The deadbolt mechanism feels solid and dependable, reinforcing the door with strong locking performance. Many users appreciate features like autolock, which automatically secures the door after a preset period, reducing the risk of accidentally leaving it unlocked. Activity tracking through the app lets you see when the door was accessed and which code was used, adding another layer of awareness. Installation is generally straightforward, fitting standard door preparations without major modifications. The interior housing is compact and designed to blend into most home styles, while the exterior maintains a sleek and contemporary look that enhances curb appeal. In daily use, the lock simplifies entry and exit. There's no need to carry keys, and multiple household members can have their own personalized codes. Integration with smart home ecosystems further expands its functionality, allowing voice control or automation routines depending on your setup. Overall, the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock stands out as a convenient and secure upgrade for modern homes. With direct Wi-Fi connectivity, customizable access codes, and dependable locking performance, it delivers both flexibility and peace of mind in a single smart entry solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.